Welcome back to Nissan of Canton. My name is Anthony. I'm one of the product specialists here. On today's episode of Nissan Ownership, we're going to go over how to use the built-in navigation. I know everybody kind of uses their phones now with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but for the folks that still want to use the built-in navigation in the car, it's a little confusing. So let's go over that. So from your home menu, of course, click Map. Brings us to this screen here. You can add your home address by clicking Home. It says a home location has not been saved. We'd like to save a new location. Absolutely. You can search by using keywords, key sections of your address, so forth. However, we're just going to type it in. Make sure it says Michigan. All right, now click. So 42175. Alrighty. Michigan Ave. Oh, hold on. Sorry, phone's trying to hook up. As you saw on the top there, it kind of gives you kind of preloaded prompts if you wanted to. We're just gonna go straight through it just so I can show you. Gives you a list in case there's other options, but ours is just Michigan Ave. There we go. Took a second. So now it has pinpointed our home address. You can click OK. Now it has saved the home address. This is just the address of our dealership. I just want to use that as an example. And then you can see you can edit, move location, delete, or OK. I'm just going to delete it so we don't save it for the person that buys this car. Alrighty. So let's go back to the maps again just to show you. So from this screen you have your access to phones, home address, points of interest, destination, zoom in, zoom out, and settings. Just to show you how to type it in, you can click search. And then it pulls up the address screen again. You can type in anything you want. You can do points of interest. So let's say Walmart. Hit list. Gives you the closest Walmarts in the area. Closest first, furthest last. Those are for examples. Let's go back to the map again. Of course, you can zoom in and out with these buttons here. Destination, if you click that, you can go to a saved destination for home, work, anything in the address book you like to put in there. Points of interest, so if you click like say points of interest, for example, it kind of gives you options, ATM, parking, fast food, and so forth. Back out, and then you click destinations again. Other options on here. You know, you can choose by intersection if you don't remember that specific address, but you know where this car is at. You can use by longitude, latitude. But this is basically your hub of where to enter your addresses. Pretty straightforward, but again, a little bit confusing to some folks just because this screen is a little bit weird and it's different than what your iPhone would do. You know, iPhones, you can get it from your messages, Google search, and all that kind of stuff. But when you're driving, this is more cumbersome than others. So thank you again, guys. We'll see you in another video.